And maybe if you allow me to say one quick point, yeah?
Yes.
Specifically, because you've said this is 3D modeling, yeah? I'm a scientist, yeah? And the special usefulness of 3D modeling, the usefulness, you can make the process, you can show in a more dynamic way, because it allows you to vary the different parameters, yeah? When you draw by hand, your pictures are all separate. Here you can modify the different parameters, the different elements, yeah? Almost in real time, yeah?
Okay, sure.
Yeah?
All right. I will come to this side and to meet some important persons. All right, this is our senior designer. This is our,
Nice to meet you.
Designer.
Hello.
Cindy. Yeah. So she's leader to in charge with some particular project.
Hi, Aaron. I'm Cindy, the senior designer of the architecture, and I'm major to take charge of architecture and landscape design. We are the professional architecture design agency with useful and vitality. Our agency has a wide range of practice such as small buildings, micro renovation of the old city, urban renewal, and experimental study of lifestyles. We are working on design practice of architecture, landscape design, and art to realize the research on urban physics, society, culture, and environment, and to seek a platform that to truly connect the urban environment. With overall enthusiasm for design, we focused on architecture and the city itself, pursuing relevant topics rather than only professional skills. With our design, we want to make the world more beautiful, and we design by accurate and succinct. Hopefully, my introduction can let you know more about our agency. We will keep in touch and build the contact.
Thank you.
Thank you
Very
so
interesting.
much.
Yes. Very informative.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, let's move to another